Sa mga kakibat, for the first time ever here in our vlog, we are here in Cagayan de Oro City. There you go. Right now in the atrium, let's see how big the Geek Pop 2024 is. Alright mga kakibat, for the first time ever here in our vlog, nakapagbiyahe pa tayo dito mismo sa Cagayan de Oro City to witness the Geek Pop Gold event here in Limkit Kai Mall, Cagayan de Oro City. And this is the first day, May 25, 2024. And right now, I'm really overwhelmed kasi tingnan mo, ang laki ng atrium dito. Grabe oh. Woo! Tingnan mo, sobrang laki. Grabe, sobra. Oh. By the way, Photo Dimensions, Kuya Reg, I'd like to say thank you so much for inviting me.
Sniper ready!
Yes, exactly. By the way, please follow Photo Dimensions. Grabe. And right, mga kakibat, I'm here with the VIP holders, mga kakibat, VIP. Because right now, Chares and Nuro is now on the VIP stage for the interview. Grabe. Ang daming mga kaganapan dito sa, sa event. Dito yung VIP area. Kung sino yung naka-avail ng 2,500 pesos na VIP, you can play games, you can have free food, and you can also have the privilege to meet Chares and Ruro as well. Ang daming kaganapan dito sa Cagayan de Oro City. So right now, let's sit back, relax, and enjoy as we cover every moment right here dito sa Cagayan de Oro City for the Geek Pop Gold. And mga kakibat, let's begin! What's up, mga kakibat? I'm here with Sergio right here. And by the way, nice to see you and congratulations. Siya yung nanalo sa sa Switzerland.
Actually, nung pagkapanalo, speechless talaga eh.
Ay, grabe.
Pero din, masaya din kasi first time na Philippines manalo dito eh.
Yes.
Proud talaga na Pinoy ang nanalo.
Exactly. So look at him, it's very Scorpion. Grabe. But we are still here at Limkit Kai Mall for the Geek Pop Gold event, and we are here at the Razer Gold booth to experience this type of device. This is what they called the Razer Edge console. Okay, so this console is really one of the most amazing consoles I've ever seen. Tingnan mo yung likod niya. This is how it looks like. Ito yung itsura niya. Ito yung console mismo. Ito yung monitor niya. With camera na yan siya dito mismo. Ko-connect na siya dito kasi meron siyang USB Type-C port. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is you have to insert this one right here. Dahan-dahan. You have to pull it. And voila, ito na siya. And it's really amazing because it's really compact. Pwede mo siya madala at any time, at anywhere. Kung gusto mo maglaro ng Mobile Legends or gusto mo maglaro ng kanilang bagong game, which is yung Diablo Immortal. And this is really one of the coolest consoles you've ever tried with this generation. So I'm going to recommend this to you. This is a Razer Edge powered by Razer.
A cosplayer that's cosplaying one of our featured games here in Depop Gold.
Ayan.
Ang dami, ano?
Sino yung ano? Siya yung item?
Item?
Bring. Siya yung bring.
Ipapamay na po ba namin? Ay, taken na, okay. Ay, ano po dapat po yung hindi pa po used. Brand new.
Grabe siya.
Anyway.
Okay.
Grabe, tabo na sa tangin niya si ate. Nanalo na ng mouse kanina. Kumuha pa ng...
Ang tanong, kakilala mo ba?
Kakilala mo ba?
Ay, ano ba? Ano sila? Anong relasyon nila sa buhay?
Kakilala. Nalang ba?
Ay!
Taken pa nga naman pala.
Taken na kasi.
Nasaan na kasi? First? Uy.
I'm sure, okay lang siya ngayon.
First, tapos second.
Oo, sana okay lang siya ngayon. Isa lang. Saka I hope makauwi ka na soon kasi miss na kita.
Ay! Nakakaiyak naman. Parang pang ano to, pang FNG.
Meanwhile, we're going to play one of the classic retro games dito mismo sa Pinoy Retro Gaming. They're coming from Manila and right now they're here in Cagayan de Oro City to showcase the most amazing retro games from Nintendo, PlayStation, Sega, lahat na nandito na. So tara guys, let's play!
A few moments later.
mga kakibat, all the way from Manila, one of the members of Just Dance Philippines, Switchy!
Hi guys. I'm Suichi from Just Dance Philippines, one of the admins there, saying hi to everyone. Hi. I'm quite good. I'm tired from the flight, but still, we bring a lot of energy right here and Cagayan de Oro. It's really fun here right now on the event. So mga La Just Dance event is most likely we give the energy first and also we also have fun. Most likely, gato ginagawa namin sa stage ng Just Dance Philippines. We bring you a lot of energy, presence, and we take care of each other. Most likely, when you play with us in Just Dance, we always remind our players to drink a lot of water, have a change of clothes, because magpapawis talaga sila.
This is our first time na
Yeah, I know.
Okay, from Manila, from Davao, so it's really an honor for me to meet you today.
Yeah, thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you so much, Cagayan de Oro. Na-enjoy namin itong lugar na to, seriously. From a lot of stuff going on, umikot kami sa mga malls to check kung mga may Just Dance pa. Then old players and old arcades, chinek namin kung maayos pa ang yung ating gaming community here. So meron naman.
Alright, so let's support Just Dance Philippines, mga kakibat, okay? Yay!
Thank you so much, guys. Support us by following Just Dance Philippines.
Alright, mga kakibat, courtesy of our friend right there, Eds. How are you today, Ed?
Hello guys, I'm good, fine. First of all, enjoy, then I meet Chares,
Yes.
my number one idol. And second is Ruro, so Ruro is not here already.
So, habang nasa likod si Chares, ano masasabi mo sa event?
First of all, enjoy, then nakita ko si Chares, super fan ako kang Chares, then second is Ruro, so Ruro is not here already, nag-out na si Ruro, so
Yes. Meron pa siya tomorrow.
day 1 ngayon, so tomorrow we will meet.
Ayun, this is the first time sa sa CDO and also sa event sa Gig Pop, and which is the first time sa CDO. Then sa ako na feeling na experience is na speechless ako na meet sila, and then ito sa mga guests is very friendly sa ako and na-enjoy na ako yung mga mamit new friends, especially sa mga hobbies food. Pero at least na-enjoy ako ang travel from Davao to CDO.
Yes. Sulit ang ating biyahe dito.
Alright.
Well, mga kakibat, that's it for our day 1 of our Gig Pop Gold event here in Limpit Kay Mall, Cagayan de Oro City. What a blast! It's the first day because we met Chares, even though she's really busy. And right now, Roro is already there for taking pictures for the other fans as well. So, me and Adelaide right there, I would like to say thank you so much sa panonood. See you again in day 2. Bye-bye! Bye-bye!